From CMC Media, this is AgileTalk. I'm Patrick Egan. Well, recently, Rally Software announced the acquisition of AgileZen, a web-based collaboration tool for Kanban. So here to talk with us about the acquisition and what it means for Rally is Todd Olson, Director of Product Marketing for Rally Software. Welcome, Todd.
Thank you. Thank you, Patrick.
So Todd, how does AgileZen fit into Rally's plans, and more importantly, what does it mean for the Agile community?
You know, what you'll see with the AgileZen acquisition is basically our response to a growing trend we're seeing in the industry. So Kanban is an emerging process in the Agile community that seems to be gaining traction for teams that have different styles of work that's more interrupt-driven or ad hoc, kind of like maintenance, operations, even non-software teams. And rather than just sit back and kind of let the Kanban community kind of figure out its role and how it relates to other Agile processes, things like Scrum, Rally really wanted to be a leader in this. And through acquiring AgileZen, it gives us an industry-leading Kanban product, and it puts us in a position where we can help partner with customers to help understand how different processes can map better to different styles of work in the organization, and how different styles can work together collaboratively and report upward, so that, you know, if you're an executive, you can actually get the same level of visibility and metrics for Kanban teams that you can for Scrum teams and other teams as well. So really, it's about not just solving and supporting Kanban, but it's how we can support mixed methodology. It's really, really exciting about our acquisition of AgileZen.
Well, that's pretty cool, and it sounds like you're really focused a lot on the community and providing additional support for your customers. So I know, kind of in line with that note, I know you recently acquired a mobile app for the iPhone, and it seems like Rally again is really focusing on the end user with this announcement. Can you tell me a little about the iPhone application?
Absolutely. So, I mean, you guys know this in the media. Mobile computing has exploded. And our acquisition of the iPhone app is simply the first foray into this exciting new space. I mean, Rally has really evolved into being the system of record for software development information. So all of the key information, whether it be requirements, defects, tests, are all within Rally. So now what we see is customers, they want that information. They want that information in their hands wherever they are, whether it's in meetings on their mobile device or whether it's outside of the office or in the airport. They want up-to-the-minute status on their development teams, their iterations, but they also want to be able to make updates. We have teams working around the globe. We have folks working in India with product managers in the U.S., and sometimes they can unblock someone at home at 8 p.m., and they want that ability to do that. And our iPhone app really helps customers do that in a very simple, easy way.
Well, that's great. And it looks like Rally's really, clearly established itself as a thought leader. So I'd like to kind of know, what's in the future for Rally and Agile.
Sure. So, I mean, I talked a little bit about this a little bit with the AgileZen announcement, but the future is very, very exciting. And now you see with, whether it's different analyst reports, but Agile is now fast becoming mainstream and starting to get inside the tornado, and things are really starting to take off. Yet as it's hitting mainstream, we're seeing brand new challenges and brand new needs that are emerging. And as I talked earlier, we're seeing growth beyond software development teams. And I touched a little bit on part of our reasoning behind Kanban and AgileZen, and that's really the exciting part. And I think there is no set answer yet for how this is going to evolve, and we think that we are uniquely positioned with our both services and our product teams to partner with customers to help determine the needs and help define the solution rather than simply react to it as it emerges in the community.
Well, that's great, and this is all great news, and so thanks for joining me today, Todd.
Great. Thank you, Patrick.
For more information about Rally Software, you can visit them on the web at rallydev.com. For more Agile Talk, you can visit us on the web at agilejournal.com.